Hi friends, I just finished filming this mini makeup tutorial, my go-to makeup. I did my hair, got out of pajamas and wanted to come out and do my hair and my makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, thank you for watching. Bye! Hair is done. Now on to makeup and cover that pimple. Tag me. Hi friends, I just styled my hair. I'm gonna show you the process to my makeup. I am gonna use two new products. I'm gonna use this sunscreen, and then but before anything, make sure that you do your skincare. Whatever skincare regimen you're doing, make sure that you're doing it. And then I'm gonna go, I already did mine, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my sunscreen. So I'm gonna start dabbing it all over. It's very soft and it smells really good. I'm gonna go in with my Tatcha, the liquid soap canvas. I'm gonna put it as a primer. For my under eyes, I am gonna use my Banana Bright eye cream. It's gonna go under my eyes so it can brighten a little bit. While I work on my face, I am gonna add a little bit of lip mask so my lips can be hydrated for lipstick. And for my foundation, I am gonna use this foundation in light medium beige from Tarte. It is full coverage foundation with a lightly dab. Make sure you smear it all over. Dab, 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 dab all over. After you make sure that every little point of your face is nicely blended, you can go in with your concealer. I like to use Revlon Age Rewind. I want to hide my age. I put it under my eyes. I'm so aggressive with my skin. And then again, I go in with my beauty blender. I'm not sharing the colors only on a few products because our skin tones are different. Our undertones are different. Some of us have pink, some of us have yellow, some of us have olive, and so on. So we all need to find our color. I can help you with that if you want me to help. But yes, that's done. It's covered. Now I'm gonna go in with my Frankie Rose powder. If I could open it. I only do it under my eyes, my forehead, and my smile lines. And then the rest is gonna be bronze. I don't like to look cakey. My temples. For my bronzer, I am using my Butter 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 bronzer from Physicians Formula. I basically like to go under my cheekbones. Under my chin, my lip, and with the bronzer I like to go in with my ears. I don't do foundation on my ears because it's too much of a mess for me. And then I do my forehead. If I am going for a dramatic look, then I'll definitely do more sculpting bronze or contour, but right now it's just gonna be for me to stay around, go out for a walk or something. Make sure you get your nose, because your nose, and then your eyes. That's enough for me. I covered almost everything. Don't forget your ears with the bronzer. I do have my eyebrows microbladed. I don't do much with them. All I do is brush them out so that the foundation can fall off or any powders that fell on them. Like I said, if I do go for a glam look, then I will fill them in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade. But in this case, I'm not gonna need it, so I'm gonna skip that step. So for my eyeshadow, when I just want to stay home or whatever, just go out for an errand, I like to use this blush. It's a blush and color Risque. I dab it all over my lid, like messily. It really doesn't have to be really clean. But do you see the difference with the Risque and without it? I add it. And then I go in and brush my lashes. I do have lash extensions. I like to brush them, and then definitely you cannot forget your glow. I am using this one from the Kylie Cosmetics in color Chocolate Creamy Chocolate Cherry. I put it on my apples, on my nose, and then my top lip. And that's it. Oh no, my lips. For my lips, I did put on a mask before. I am just gonna blot it. I'm not gonna remove it. Gonna blot it, leave it on, and then I'm gonna go in with my lip pencil in color Cork. add it, line my lips. And then I decide what lipstick I'm gonna use, and today I'm gonna use this one from MAC as well. It's gonna be Kingster. It is very matte. And yeah, that's how my look is. It's very easy, very, you know, very my way. For my hair, I did style it this morning, but I do see a little bit of flyaways. I am gonna tame it down with my oil, favorite oil of all. I use it everywhere on my face. I'm gonna use about maybe 2 drops. Massage it all over, and then add it for extra shine. Take down the flyaways. Flyaways, it's more like growth. But yes. And then you style as you like. This is the way I like to keep mine. And then whatever setting spray you have. Don't forget setting spray. Whew. I am using Mario Badescu. Badescu? I don't know. Let it dry. And you're all done, friends. Hair, makeup done.